Are you looking for the best Sony home theater systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Sony home theater systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony Bravia Theater Quad System. The Sony Bravia Quad Sound System brings an exceptional audio experience right into your home. With 16 expertly crafted speakers, you'll enjoy a rich sound that enhances every movie, game, or song. The wireless setup allows you to place the speakers wherever you like, giving you the freedom to create the perfect sound environment without messy cables. Supporting advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, this system delivers cinema-quality sound that immerses you in your entertainment. Plus, with the Bravia Connect app, you can easily manage settings and controls right from your smartphone, making it simple to personalize your listening experience. What we like: high-quality immersive audio, flexible wireless speaker placement, cinema-quality sound formats, smartphone app control. Number 2. Sony HTA9 7.1.4 CH Home Theater Speaker System. The Sony HTA9 7.1.4 CH Home Theater Speaker System offers a 360 spatial sound mapping feature for a new surround experience. The system has wireless connectivity and X-balanced speaker units for high-res audio. It also has immersive audio enhancement that converts regular audio to near 7.1.4 ch, 8K, and 4K/120 pass-through, and multiple streaming options. The setup can be customized with 2 subwoofer choices, and it pairs with Bravia for easy access to home theater system controls. Users can control content with their voice using Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and the on-screen user interface makes sound adjustments easy. What we like: 360 spatial sound mapping for a whole new surround experience. Multiple streaming options including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Chromecast built-in, Spotify Connect, and Apple AirPlay 2. Customizable setup with 2 subwoofer choices. Number 3. Sony HTA-X7 Portable Theater System. The Sony HTA-X7 speaker transforms your audio experience with its innovative 360 spatial sound mapping technology, immersing you in rich sound, no matter what you're watching. Its compact and portable design allows you to take cinematic sound with you, whether you're at home or on the go. With an impressive 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy uninterrupted playback throughout the day. Plus, the speaker's sleek design fits seamlessly into any room, making it a stylish addition to your setup. Enjoy easy setup and control through the Sony Home Entertainment Connect app for a hassle-free experience. What we like: immersive 360 sound experience, compact and portable design, long-lasting 30-hour battery, sleek, stylish appearance, easy smartphone control. Number 4. Sony HTA9M2 Home Theater System. The Sony HTA9M2 system elevates your home entertainment experience with its impressive surround sound capabilities. Enjoy immersive audio with 360 spatial sound mapping, which creates a cinema-like environment in your living room. The system also features automatic sound calibration, optimizing audio based on your room's unique characteristics. You can experience high-quality sound from popular formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, ensuring that every movie night feels like a trip to the theater. With 16 speaker units, this system delivers rich acoustic performance and fills your space with clear, spatial audio. What we like: immersive surround sound experience, auto sound calibration, supports Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, 16 speaker units for rich audio. Number 5. Sony STRN 1000 7.2 Channel A/V Receiver. The Sony 7.2 channel receiver offers a top-notch home theater experience with its advanced features. It has 8K and 4K per 120 Hz HDMI support, allowing you to enjoy high-quality video with stunning clarity. You will also benefit from Dolby Atmos and DTS-X technology, which provides immersive, object-based sound that enhances your viewing experience. Additionally, the receiver includes digital cinema auto calibration 9, ensuring that your audio is perfectly tuned to your room. Finally, 360 spatial sound mapping creates a surround sound environment that makes you feel like you are part of the action. What we like: high-quality video support, immersive audio experience, automatic sound calibration, 360-degree sound mapping.